out of emotion that I really criticize it. But however, the world, our country has labeled a Kuki-Zo as a very wicked tribe or a very bad tribe. But I would like to clarify that since the conflict with the Nagas of Manipur, I would like to question the government, the people of India, and the people of Manipur, and the Nagas as well. Because initially, this conflict started with one drunkard Tangkul boy was beaten up and was in fact taken up to the village authority to apologize as per the custom and tradition. However, due to outside interference, that could not happen, and I'm very sorry about this. So all this started with all these things, and then later on, two Kuki-Zo men were killed, and then on the other hand, the Kuki-Zo who has held hostage of 21 persons has been released without any condition. Then again there is an ambush and which killed 3 pastors as well as injured 4. That trigger and with emotion, as I've told it earlier, as I've said it earlier, they have killed out of emotion. I'm very sorry for that, and I apologize on behalf of my people. But let's see, till now, our village has been torched, and 14 people have been murdered by the Kacha Nagas and the Tangkuls till so far. Whereas we have killed out of emotion that 6 Naga civilian. Imagine, who has caused more murder, who has torched more villages up till now and so far and even today. I like to point out that in Ukrul, a Kuki-Zo villages has grouped themselves in 3 places, that is in Chasat, Phaikuk, and IC. And the Tangkul Nagas refuse to sell the essential goods such as grains, dals, or medicines to the Kuki-Zo people. So, at this time when I see all these things, I've requested the governor, of course, no doubt, some rices and dals has been given to them. But that was not sufficient. Now they are still struggling with this.